Have you heard about the recent tax evasion charges against Hunter Biden? If not, let's dive right in. Hunter Biden, son of President Joe Biden, finds himself in the eye of a legal storm. He has been charged with evading at least $1.4 million in taxes from 2016 to 2019. The charges are no small matter, with 9 criminal counts filed against him. These include evasion of tax assessment, failure to file and pay taxes, and filing false or fraudulent tax returns. The allegations are quite serious, with prosecutors asserting that Hunter Biden spent this money on a lavish lifestyle, including drugs, escorts, luxury hotels, rental properties, exotic cars, clothing, and other personal items, instead of paying his taxes. The charges were brought against him following an investigation conducted by Special Counsel David Weiss, appointed by Donald Trump, and continued by Attorney General Merrick Garland. These charges have certainly stirred up a storm, haven't they? But how did it all start? The narrative begins in 2017, with Hunter Biden failing to pay his income tax. The son of President Joe Biden, Hunter found himself in hot water after it was revealed he had evaded at least $1.4 million in taxes between 2016 and 2019. This was just the beginning of a series of legal challenges that would unfold over the next few years. The first domino fell when federal prosecutors charged Hunter Biden with 9 criminal counts, including evasion of tax assessment, failure to file and pay taxes, and filing false or fraudulent tax returns. It was alleged that the money, instead of being used to fulfill his tax obligations, was spent on a lavish lifestyle filled with drugs, escorts, luxury hotels, rental properties, exotic cars, clothing, and other personal items. In the midst of these tax evasion charges, Hunter Biden was also drawn into a separate case related to gun possession and false statements. This added another layer of complexity to an already intricate legal situation. The year 2023 saw the unraveling of a plea deal that Hunter Biden was hoping to secure. He had agreed to plead guilty to 2 criminal misdemeanors of failing to pay income tax for 2017 and 2018. However, this plea deal fell apart, leading to a new tax case. This was far from standard operating procedure, and it raised eyebrows among many who were closely monitoring the situation. While Hunter Biden was trying to navigate his way through these tax-related charges, he was hit with another blow. Federal prosecutors sought a grand jury indictment related to a gun possession case. This was yet another hurdle that Hunter Biden and his legal team had to overcome. From tax evasion to gun charges, the case has spiraled into a complex web. But what does it all mean? So, what could possibly happen next? Well, if convicted, Hunter Biden could face a significant prison sentence. The charges against him, which include evasion of tax assessment, failure to file and pay taxes, and filing false or fraudulent tax returns, could result in a maximum of 17 years in jail. That's a hefty sentence and one that cannot be taken lightly. But the consequences of this case go beyond potential jail time. The political implications are substantial and far-reaching. Hunter Biden is not just Joe Biden's son, he is a symbol of his father's presidency. The allegations against him have the potential to cast a shadow over the White House, irrespective of whether or not President Biden had any involvement in his son's alleged actions. Republicans have been focusing intensely on Hunter Biden's overseas deals, attempting to draw a connection between these deals and the charges he currently faces. However, they have yet to produce any evidence directly linking President Biden to his son's business affairs. Despite this, the allegations alone have the potential to be politically damaging. The case has also brought up allegations of political interference. The special counsel who conducted the investigation was appointed by Donald Trump and continued by Attorney General Merrick Garland. Republicans have accused the special counsel of political interference, but both the Attorney General and special counsel have refuted these claims. In the end, the implications and consequences of this case could extend far beyond Hunter Biden as an individual. They could impact the Biden presidency and the political landscape of the United States. And they could raise questions about the fairness and impartiality of our judicial system. As the case continues to unfold, one thing is clear. The repercussions could be far-reaching.